Did you know that AI generated voices are now so realistic that even professionals are using them for audiobooks, YouTube videos, and advertisements? With AI voice technology advancing rapidly, you don't need expensive recording equipment or a professional voice actor to create high quality voiceovers. Enter Murf AI. It's one of the most powerful text to speech tools that brings your script to life with natural sounding AI voices. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to use Murf AI effectively, whether you are a beginner or a content creator looking to enhance your projects. So, let's get started. To get started, first go to your preferred web browser, then type Murf AI in the search bar. Now, select the first result that you get. In this interface, you will find two options, Sync Login and Sign Up. I am using the Sign Up option. You can use your Google account, Microsoft account or Slack account or even your email to sign up. But here I am using my Google account. Select your preferred Google account, then click on Continue. And you have your Murf AI account. Once you sign up, the Murf AI will take you directly to this interface. First, let's choose your voiceover artist. Here you will find many voiceover artists that you can use. Suppose we will be using Natalie as our voiceover artist. Now select the language that you want your script to be in. Also, you change your voiceover artist if you want your voice to be clearer than ever. Now select the tone of speech. Suppose we are going with the conversational tone. Then you can change the pitch, the speed, add pause to your audio, and also you can change the pronunciations. Here is the guideline, and you can change the variability, although it is for the premium users. Now enter your text in the box given below. Suppose this is our text. Now click on the play button to generate the audio. After it is ready, you can preview it. Click on the play button again to build your preview. And from the timeline, you can listen to your audio.
Hey, this is Kodijana. I welcome you all to our channel. I hope in this video you'll find the perfect tutorial that you can use to log in.
Once your preview is done, you can bring up the timeline. And then you can also add videos or images here. Then if you feel satisfied with the audio you have just created, click on the export option and download your preferred settings. After selecting your preferred settings, you will be able to download it, although it is for the upgraded users. I hope now you know how to use Murf AI to get the most realistic AI voices ever. Also, now I think you can reduce the expenses for hiring the voiceover artist. I wish you best of luck. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.